ABC Birds for Kids. A is for albatross. Albatross. B is for blackbird. Blackbird. C is for chicken. Chicken. D is for duck. Duck. E is for eagle. Eagle. F is for falcon. Falcon. G is for goose. Goose. H is for hummingbird. Hummingbird. I is for ibis. Ibis. J is for jay. Jay. K is for kingfisher. Kingfisher. L is for lorikeet. Lorikeet. M is for meadowlark. Meadowlark. N is for nighthawk. Nighthawk. O is for owl. Owl. P is for parrot. Parrot. Q is for quetzal. Quetzal. R is for raven. Raven. S is for swan. Swan. T is for toucan. Toucan. U is for umbrella bird. Umbrella bird. V is for vulture. Vulture. W is for woodpecker. Woodpecker. X is for xenops. Xenops. Y is for yellowhammer. Yellowhammer. Z is for zebrafinch. Zebrafinch. For more videos, please like and subscribe to KKTV.